Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So if you go ahead and check on your account settings right over here, as you can see on the linked accounts tab, there is no Rockstar Games on the Epic, or even if you go to your Epic or Rockstar game, there's no Epic link here to unlink. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and go into your Rockstar Games site and make sure that you're logged into the account which is linked with your Epic Games account. Go ahead and click on info on this Epic Games tab right over here, and as you can see it says Epic account are permanently linked to Rockstar Games account. If you are having issue with your account, please contact customer support. Just click on customer support, and this is where you can simply go ahead and send them a mail by clicking on submit a request, and simply go ahead and click on account and then click on account settings, and then you can simply go ahead and click on other account issues and simply write your problem and click on submit a ticket, and they'll be in touch with you and you can explain or change the account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.